Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how to set up and configure live chat widget for the website. Live chat widget is a chatbot that can be integrated on your website and help you to communicate with the live website visitors. So let's go to the admin portal and see how we can set up it. So right now we are on our Microsoft 365 admin center. In order to create the live chat feature, we have to go to the Teams. And here in the Teams we can see the admin here. Just click on the admin and here we have the live chat option. So you need to click on this live chat option. Here you can see the live chat is already configured here. You can see the test your chat widget. Send a message via the chat widget to see how it will connect website visitor. And after that add your widget to website and then view the all incoming request. Also you can set up the automatic appointment with the customer, where the customer can book the appointment themselves with the help of this live chat widget. Here it is already configured, but in your case if it is not configured, it will show you the option to create it. So once you click on create, what option it will give you? First of all, you can give it a name, like here I have given it a live chat. You can give any name, and even you can edit the bot picture as well, and here you can show the greeting message. So once you configure this, then you have a team option, like which user you want to add to it. We can add up to 25 users here. You can see the business level license can be added up to 25 people. So this is how it will appear on your website. Someone say I need help with my order, this way it will reply, and this is the chat widget you will see on your website. So after creating your team, like adding the user, you can edit the support hours when you are live or when you are offline. If you are out of office, at that time we can set this message: thank you for reaching out, our team's not available right now. You can save the changes, and once you save the changes, it will automatically create a chatbot for you. And after that, even you can set the appointment booking as well. Let me save it. So it is saved, and with the appointment booking you have all these settings. You can enable the appointment booking from here. So I will click on enable and will keep the settings as default. It's adding appointment to your widget. So customer can itself book the appointment, and it will show inside the chat window here, like book an appointment. Or if you want to disable it, you can disable it from here, like enable and disable the appointment on the widget can be managed from here. So once you are done with this, you can close it, and even you can test the visit as well. Once it is finalized, you can test it before applying it on your website. So here it is, like it will give you the option like test your visit, add to the website. For an example, you want to test it, you can type your message here, and this is the welcome message. It will work in this way. And after that, here I got the request here, customer request. Here you can see I got that request. So this way live visitor request will be sent to the Teams. And if we close it, and then you have an option to add it to the website. You will have to add the name of your website. Here for example, add a website name. Here I say this is the website I want to add on, and then it will give you the code snippet, and you have to copy that code and you have to add it to your website. Once it is added, chat widget will be available on your website. And here it says view all requests. Here in the request you will see all the requests initiated by your website visitors. So this way you can configure and set up the live chat option for your website through the Microsoft Teams itself. I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.